Hi, Jack. Good morning.
Good morning, Clara.
You sound calm today.
Yeah, I feel a little nervous, but in a good way.
That sounds interesting. Why nervous?
I had too much coffee. And also yesterday I wanted to say something in English, but my brain said, no thank you.
That happens to everyone, even to people who speak English very well.
Really? That makes me feel better already.
How is your day so far?
It is busy, but not bad. I walked a lot this morning, and I met my neighbor again.
The friendly one?
Yes, very friendly. He smiles a lot, and I wanted to say something more this time.
Ah, something more than hello?
Exactly. But then I panicked a little.
That is very normal. New country, new language, new people.
Too many new things at the same time.
I understand. So tell me, what did you want to say to him?
I wanted to ask him to maybe spend time together, like coffee or something simple.
That is a great idea.
Yes, but in my head, all the words were fighting.
Then today is perfect for this.
You planned this, didn't you?
Maybe just a little. Today we are going to talk about inviting someone in English.
Oh, that is exactly my problem.
But before we move on, let's take a short pause for our viewers.
Yes, let's do it.
Dear viewers, if you enjoy learning English through calm, friendly conversations like this one, please subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to like the video and click the bell so you don't miss our next lessons with Clara saving me again.
Thank you, Jack. All right, are you ready to continue?
Yes, please help my brain.
I will. Now let's ease into today's topic. When you want to invite someone, there are a few important things to remember. First, you usually start with something friendly and simple. Then you clearly say the invitation. Finally, you give the person space to answer, without pressure.
That already sounds less scary.
Good. Timing also matters. Invitations often feel better when the moment is relaxed, not rushed.
Like not when the person is running away.
Exactly. So let's imagine a calm situation. You meet your neighbor, you talk a little, and then you invite him for something simple.
Coffee sounds safe.
Very safe. Let's start with a very common and polite invitation.
Okay, I am ready, I think.
Now, let's begin with the first practice. Imagine you are standing outside your building. You smile, you talk for a moment, and then you invite him. A simple phrase is, "Would you like to?" and then the activity.
Would you like to... would you like to come to my place for coffee?
That was very good, Jack. Just one small thing. You need to after like. So we say, "Would you like to come to my place for coffee?"
Ah, okay. Let me say it again. Would you like to come to my place for coffee?
Perfect. Very clear and very natural.
That felt good. My heart is still beating fast, but good fast.
That feeling is normal, and your sentence was polite and friendly.
I can imagine saying that now.
Great. Let's gently move to another situation. Sometimes, instead of "would you like to," people use something a little more casual. For example, "do you want to?" It is friendly and common with neighbors, friends, or coworkers.
More relaxed English.
Yes, not rude, just relaxed.
I like relaxed.
Imagine the same neighbor, but this time you're both walking to your cars.
Okay, short moment.
Invite me again using "do you want to?"
Do you want to get coffee sometime?
Excellent. That was smooth.
Really?
Yes, and sometime makes it even softer. It does not sound demanding.
That word is powerful.
It is. Invitations are often about comfort, not pressure. Now let's add something very important. Sometimes people want to know when, so you can add a time.
Like today or tomorrow?
Exactly. You can say this weekend, tomorrow, or after work.
That helps the other person imagine it.
Yes. Try this one. Invite me for coffee this weekend.
Do you want to get coffee this weekend?
Very nice.
I did not panic this time.
That means you are learning. Now, let's talk about tone. Your voice matters as much as the words.
So I should not sound like I am asking for help?
No, a calm, friendly tone is perfect.
Okay, calm Jack.
Let's do a small role play. I am your neighbor, we talk a little, and then you invite me.
All right.
Hi, Jack. Nice weather today.
Yes, it is really nice. I enjoy walking in this area.
Me too.
Do you want to get coffee this weekend?
That was excellent, natural and confident.
I feel proud, quietly proud.
You should. One more thing. Sometimes people worry about rejection.
Ah, yes, that fear.
It is normal. But remember, inviting someone is polite. Saying no is also normal.
So a no is not a disaster?
Not at all. It is just information.
I like that idea.
Good. Today, we focused on how to invite someone clearly and kindly. You did very well.
Thank you for not letting my brain escape.
You are doing the work. I am just walking with you.
That sounds nice.
Next time, you'll have a real chance to use this.
With my neighbor?
Yes, and we'll be right there with you.
That makes it much easier.
Take a breath. You are ready.
I think I am. Coffee invitation coming soon.
And we'll see how it goes next time. Jack, this is the moment to use what you practiced. Take a breath. You don't need to be perfect.
I know. I feel a little nervous, but also curious.
That's a good mix.
All right. Let's see if my English shows up with me.
Hey, Jack. Good morning.
Oh, hi. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. Just heading out for a walk before work. What about you?
I'm fine. I was just enjoying the quiet. Mornings feel calm here.
They do. That's one of the things I like about this place.
Same here. It helps me think.
Thinking about anything interesting?
Actually, maybe. I mean, yes. Something simple.
The way you say that makes it sound important.
Not important, just human things.
I like human things. Go on.
Well, I moved here not long ago, so I am still learning the area.
That makes sense. New place, new habits.
Exactly. Sometimes I discover nice spots by accident.
Oh, any good ones?
There is a small coffee place on Maple Street. I went there once.
I know that place. The coffee's pretty good.
Yes, and the atmosphere feels relaxed.
It does. I usually stop there on weekends.
That's good to know.
You sound like you want to say something.
You are very perceptive.
Years of practice. So what's on your mind?
Clara always says, well, a friend told me it is good to be direct but polite.
I agree with that.
Then I will try. Do you want to get coffee this weekend?
Sure, that sounds good.
Really?
Of course. I was thinking about going anyway.
That makes me very happy to hear.
Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday works well for me. In the morning, maybe?
Morning is perfect. Around 10?
10 is great.
Nice. We can meet there.
Yes, let's meet there.
Perfect.
That was easier than my brain told me.
Happens to all of us.
Thank you for saying yes.
No problem at all. I'm glad you asked.
Me too. I almost didn't.
I'm happy you did. So, how are you settling in overall?
Slowly, but well. I am learning how things work.
That takes time, but you're doing fine.
I appreciate that. Sometimes I worry about my English.
Honestly, you're easy to understand.
That's encouraging.
Do you work nearby?
Yes, not too far. After that, I usually go home or explore a little.
Exploring is the best way to learn a place.
I agree. Every walk feels like a small adventure.
You have a good attitude.
I try. Some days are better than others.
That's normal.
By the way, do you usually drink coffee or tea?
Mostly coffee, black or with a bit of milk.
I usually take mine with milk too.
Then that cafe will be perfect.
Good.
They also have pastries if you're hungry.
That is dangerous information.
Only a little dangerous.
I will pretend I did not hear it.
Too late.
I'm glad we talked today.
Me too. It's nice to get to know the people around you.
Yes, it makes the place feel more friendly.
Exactly.
I was worried it might be strange to invite you.
Not at all. It felt very natural.
That is a relief.
You asked in a relaxed way. That helps.
I practiced.
It shows.
That means a lot.
Well, I should continue my walk.
Of course.
See you on Saturday.
See you on Saturday at 10.
At the cafe on Maple Street.
Yes.
Great. Have a good day, Jack.
You too. Clara, did you hear that?
I did. You did very well.
My voice was shaking a little.
That's okay. You still spoke clearly.
And he said yes.
He did. How do you feel now?
Lighter, like I dropped a heavy bag.
That's the feeling of doing something brave.
Brave sounds big, but I like it.
Sometimes brave things are small and quiet.
Like asking for coffee.
Exactly.
I noticed something.
What's that?
When I added the time and place, it felt more real.
Yes, it helps the other person imagine it.
And it helped me too.
Good observation.
I also liked saying, "That sounds good." It feels friendly.
It is, and you used it naturally.
I didn't feel like I was acting.
That means it's becoming part of you.
I think the hardest part was starting.
That's true for many people.
After that, the conversation just moved.
Because you listened and reacted.
He asked questions too.
Conversation is shared. You did not carry it alone.
That makes it less scary.
Exactly.
I'm still surprised it went well.
Let yourself enjoy that.
I will, at least until my brain finds a new worry.
One step at a time.
Saturday feels closer now.
And you already know what to say.
Yes, that helps a lot.
Next, we'll make sure you feel comfortable if plans change or if someone answers differently.
That sounds useful.
For now, enjoy this success.
I will. Coffee success.
You earned it.
Thank you for walking me through this.
Always. Jack, we learned a lot today. Let's take a moment and gently go over the words and expressions we used.
Oh, I'm ready. I actually feel excited about this part.
That's a good sign. Let's start naturally, just like we talk. You invited your neighbor today, so let's begin with the word invite. To invite someone means to ask a person to join you for an activity.
Right, like when I said, "Do you want to get coffee this weekend?"
Exactly. That sentence is a perfect example of an invitation.
I like that word. It feels friendly, not heavy.
Speaking of that, we use the expression get coffee. To get coffee means to go somewhere together to drink coffee and talk.
It sounds simple, but it means more than just drinking coffee.
True. People often say it when they want to relax and have a conversation. You could say, we get coffee and talk for an hour.
That makes sense. It feels social, not formal.
And you added this weekend. This weekend refers to the Saturday and Sunday that are coming soon.
Ah, yes, that helped make the plan real.
Exactly. You can hear it in sentences like, I'm free this weekend.
I see. Without that, the invitation feels a bit floating.
Then your neighbor answered with, that sounds good. This expression means you like the idea and agree with it.
I hear people say that a lot.
Yes, very often. For instance, someone suggests a plan and you reply, that sounds good to me.
It feels warm and friendly.
And the word cafe. A cafe is a small restaurant where people drink coffee and sometimes eat light food.
I spend a lot of time in cafes lately.
Many people do. You might hear, let's sit at that cafe.
It already feels familiar.
Then your neighbor mentioned pastries. Pastries are sweet, baked foods like croissants or small cakes.
Dangerous, but delicious.
True. Someone might say, they have fresh pastries in the morning.
That sentence makes me hungry.
You also talked about the atmosphere. Atmosphere means the general feeling of a place.
Oh, I like that word.
Me too. For example, the cafe has a relaxed atmosphere.
That describes it perfectly.
And that connects to the word relaxed. Relaxed means calm, not stressed.
That's how I want to feel when I speak English.
And you will. You can say, I feel relaxed there.
That's encouraging.
Your neighbor also said you were perceptive. Perceptive means you notice things easily.
That surprised me a little.
It's a compliment. Someone might say, you're very perceptive.
I'll remember that one.
Earlier, he said he was heading out. To head out means to leave a place.
Like going for his walk.
Exactly. You can hear, I'm heading out now.
That's big English.
You also used settling in. To settle in means to slowly feel comfortable in a new place.
That word describes my life right now.
It fits well. You could say, I'm still settling in.
I use that a lot lately.
Then you talked about explore. To explore means to walk around and discover new places.
That's one of my favorite activities.
Mine too. For instance, I explore the neighborhood on weekends.
That sentence feels very me.
You also said something works for me. This expression means you agree with a plan or time.
Like when he said Saturday morning.
Yes, you can reply, that works for me.
Very useful and polite.
And finally, the word neighbor. A neighbor is a person who lives near you.
Hopefully a friendly one.
Generally, yes. You might say, my neighbor invited me for coffee.
That sentence feels nice now.
So, Jack, let's take a breath and look back.
We used invite, get coffee, this weekend, that sounds good, time, meet, place, cafe, pastries, atmosphere, relaxed, perceptive, heading out, settling in, explore, works for me, and neighbor.
That's right. All words you actually used in a real situation.
That makes them easier to remember.
Now, dear viewers, it's your turn to practice.
Yes, our viewers, we really want you to try this.
Try writing 3 to 5 sentences using some of these words.
You can imagine inviting someone for coffee, just like I did.
Exactly. Use words like invite, meet, this weekend, or that sounds good.
Don't worry about being perfect. Just try.
And if you enjoyed this calm, real-life practice,
Please subscribe to our channel, viewers,
and don't forget to turn on the notifications.
so you won't miss our next lesson and the next small victory.
We love learning with you.
And we can't wait to read your sentences.
See you next time.
And maybe see you at a cafe.